I built this channel completely wrong, and it's probably why you're not getting results either. I was doing everything right, posting, teaching, showing up, but nothing was moving. And what I discovered has nothing to do with the algorithm. I've spent over 25 years helping organizations fix systems, pass audits, build structure, and I thought if I just teach what I know, people will watch. I was wrong. YouTube doesn't reward knowledge. It rewards attention. And if you don't earn attention, you don't get reach. This is what I was doing. Teaching, explaining, slow intros. This is what actually works. Story, tension, movement. So I rebuilt everything around 3 things. Output, what result people actually want. Context, the pain they're living in. And voice, real experience. So moving forward, this channel is not about information. It's about transformation. I'm going to show you a tree what Gerstein e Consorjalvo Bunstein. Droys din inti thou in testes quietly, why most people fail, and how to fix it before it's too late. If you're serious about growth, not just watching content, subscribe. Is different.